Great question, and we try to address that on each of my quarterly calls. I can only speak specifically within the Americas, but we've really tried a concerted effort to use internal promotion or internal transfer. A lot of times when people think about their career, it may not be into management, it may not be into different roles. It's find your passion, right? Like, what's the thing you're excited about coming in and doing every day? So we've done dozens of both promotions into frontline sales management roles, into senior sales management roles. In fact, the last couple of segment leader roles were actually internal promotions. And so we want to make sure we keep that going. You know, it's one of those interesting things at Veeam. It's like one of our strengths is our virtual organization. One of our challenges is our virtual organization. So getting recognized, getting noticed, that's something that's, a top of mind for me, so that people don't get hidden within a larger, kind of distributed or remote environment.